In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Razorpay to Shopify. Let's dive in and ensure your Shopify store is ready to accept payments seamlessly with Razorpay. Whether you're just getting started or looking to offer more payment options to your customers, this guide will walk you through the steps. First, you'll want to start by opening up your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen and look for the button labeled Settings. Give it a click. This is your gateway to personalizing and managing your store's operations. Here, you'll find everything from store information to shipping preferences. Among the various options available in the Settings menu, navigate to Payments. This section is the hub for all things related to how you get paid, and it's where you'll manage your payment gateways. In the Payment section, you'll see an option to Add Payment Method. By clicking on this, you open up a world of different payment providers you can integrate with your store. Now, since we're specifically looking for Razorpay, we can streamline this process. Click on Search by Provider. This is a fantastic feature that allows you to quickly find the exact payment solution you need, saving you time instead of scrolling through a long list of options. Once the search bar pops up, type Razorpay. As you start typing, Shopify will narrow down your options, and you should see Razorpay appear in the list. Once Razorpay appears in the search results, select it. This will bring you to the next step of the integration process. Razorpay is a reliable payment gateway that supports a wide range of payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, net banking, and digital wallets, so it's a great choice for businesses in India and across other countries. Next, click the Install button to start the integration process. This action will initiate the necessary steps to integrate Razorpay with your Shopify store. You're now just a few clicks away from finalizing everything. Shopify will walk you through Razorpay's setup process, which may include entering your Razorpay account details, setting up payment preferences, and granting any necessary permissions for the integration to function properly. Follow through Razorpay's setup steps and ensure you're asked to input any API keys or account information. These are needed to link your Razorpay account to Shopify. Once you've completed these steps, you should see Razorpay listed as one of your active payment methods. After the setup is complete, take a moment to review everything and make sure your payment gateway operates as expected. It's a good idea to double-check that your payment methods are active and that Razorpay is showing up as an option for your customers during checkout. However, there's something to keep in mind. If for some reason you don't see Razorpay listed as an option, or after installation it isn't appearing as a payment method, don't worry too much immediately. This situation often means that Razorpay might not be supported in your current country. Some countries have specific regulations regarding payment gateways, so it's always a good idea to double-check the available payment methods for your region. If Razorpay isn't supported in your area, you can look for alternative payment solutions that Shopify supports in your region. Shopify offers a variety of popular payment gateways such as PayPal, Stripe, and Shopify Payments. Once you've completed the integration, you're all set. Razorpay should now be successfully integrated into your Shopify store and ready to start processing payments from your customers. Keep in mind that adding a secure and reliable payment method like Razorpay not only makes the checkout process smoother, but also helps establish trust with your buyers. Customers are more likely to complete a purchase if they feel confident in the payment process. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your online store. Payment integrations are just one of many ways to optimize your store, and I've got plenty more tutorials coming your way. Thanks for watching and happy selling!